Santo Tomas going to Batangas City. So, as mentioned earlier, from Santo Tomas, may mga dumadaan naman na bus dyan galing ng Calamba papunta ng Batangas City. But if you like to make your life easier, you can go to Turbina and then ride the bus from Turbina going to Batangas City. Meron ding van from Santo Tomas going to Batangas City sa may palengke. Matatagpuan siya dun sa may terminal sa may palengke ng Santo Tomas. Let's check. Santo Tomas Market. There. Yan. So, if you're familiar, nandito siya malapit siya sa may Pure Gold. So, pasok ka lang dyan. Mayroong terminal sa likuran. Sorry. Yan. Nandyan siya. Nandun sa likuran. Nandyan yung mga van na going to Batangas City. So, the price range ng mga van from Santo Tomas is 200 to 250 pesos. So, medyo matagal lang ang paghihintay ng mga mapuno yung mga van. So, if you're in a hurry, best to go to Turbina and then wait for the buses sa Turbina. Another option is to ride the jeep going to Lipa. And then from SM Lipa, may mga buses na doon going to Batangas.